Hi everyone, my name is Gregory Castro. I am from Lima, Peru. What I would like to make using 3D printing is a scale model of a warehouse to demonstrate how an RFID inventory control system would work. I want to make this because I am passionate about continuous improvement and logistics. With the 3D printing, I could fabricate all the parts, the shelves, small scale products, and even the RFID gates. A physical model is the best way to visually demonstrate how this technology can reduce errors and make a warehouse much more efficient instead of just explaining it with a PowerPoint. Thanks for listening.